Hello guys, welcome to the video. So we're gonna start opening some packs. We're gonna start off opening some 100k packs, and hopefully we can pack somebody good. Let's see. Pack number 1. Get a Aubameyang and Willian and Isco. Good start. Aubameyang's fast as heck. He has the same pace as Pele. Let's throw them all in my club. Let's move on to another one. And we get... That's not Ozil. He's pretty skilled. Never had him before. That's pretty cool to add to the club. We get nobody. I know there's Quan Mata, but I don't want to take Mata. Oh, Willian and Godin. I'll take them. I saw somebody I wanted. Here he is, we get him back again. Let's see who else we can get. Yes, that's good. Bazagio. Nice 100k pack. Come on. Pedro. By the way, I am not starting a BBVA or a varsity place or BPL team. Oh, Ramos and Godin. First time I packed Ramos. You see the difference between that. I think that was just Buccini. Don't want anybody. Come on. Nobody again. Just gonna open a few. I saw Buccini again. Tony Cruz. I think that's his name. Tony, but it's Cruz. Move into the next pack. Potato. Yeah, Potato. Walcott. Not an Arsenal fan, but he's fast. I think he's faster than Aubameyang. Never knew that. Just gonna keep on opening 100k packs this episode. There we go. Buccini. I'm not even sure that's how you say his name. But I've been wanting to get him. Maybe next video we'll do a club tour. Cavani and Walcott. Come on. 100k packs. Pretty good. I guess we could just keep going down and down packs. Seeing who we get as the best player. Higuain. It's pretty good. Oh, Iniesta and Thomas Muller. That is a good pack right there. Dang it, my team of the year, Iniesta. Anyway. Yeah. First time I got Iniesta. Buffon and Ozil. Already got Buffon and already have Ozil. Wait, flip that around. We get Isco. He's good to take. And next 100k pack. I get Oscar. Next 100k pack. We get Diego Costa. I swear I just got him today and he was like 20k. 19k. Whatever. Let's see. Nobody. Get the pie, but I like Man City. I mean, Man United. I love Man City. Company and Guerrero. Torre. There you go. Teeny on them. I think I already packed them. Already packed William for sure. Hold on, move away the mic. Oh, yeah, Marquisio and Sterling. Store them in the club. No, store him. Let me store it. Stored. Let's pack. Let's do 3 more packs. And the last 2 packs we can't store whoever we get. So it's 1 pack. They won't get anybody good in that pack. Bocini. Chiellini, I mean. Chiellini. Well. They won our last pack, the last 2 giveaway. No. I mean, these are the ones we can't keep. Anybody we get. Who do we get in this pack? I was just thinking about him. Bye-bye. We already have him. Not too bad. He would be nice to have. What else do we get? Okay, nobody really to care about. Last pack, then we'll wrap this up. We get nobody. Okay, I promise. Last pack. Godin and Higuain. Well, thank you all for watching, and bye.